friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Phineas the Hitchhiking Ghost, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along your own pace. So first let's get started in the center of our face, and we're going to start by drawing in a curved line from left to right. Now from that point, we're going to arch this around, tucking that over and back in. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Now in the center of our nose, we're going to draw in an arch line. Let's wrap the nostrils around now. So starting back on that line, we're just going to round this edge out, curving this over and in. And then we'll replicate that on the opposite side as well, curving this around, tucking that back up. And then we'll just color that in black. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down, up, and over. And then again on the right-hand side, curving this down, up, and across. Now in the center here, we're just going to leave a small gap, curving this line down. Let's connect the mouth. So in the center here where it dips, we're going to curve this all the way around and through to the right. Now for the mouth on the side, drawing in a nice big arch line, tucking that up in the corner. Let's frame in the eyes. Coming across on the left, curving that out. We'll do the exact same thing on the right as well. Let's move up now in the center. We're going to curve this around and through to the top. We'll replicate that on the opposite side as well. Now from here, starting on this line, we're going to tuck this line down, up, and over for the eyebrow. We'll replicate that on the right, so tucking this down, up, and then back across. Let's round this out underneath. So stepping in on that line, curving this down to that bottom line, replicating that on the opposite side as well. Now let's move in towards the middle. We're going to draw in a circle for the pupil. Moving through to the inside corner, adding in a second circle, making this one smaller. Now let's color in this one black. And then we'll move across on the right, replicating that. Let's move over to the side now. We're going to continue to frame in the eyes. We're just going to curve this line all the way around and down on the bottom. We will replicate that on the right-hand side as well, tucking that in. Now for the eyebrow on that side, on the point, we're just going to curve that through to the center. Again, from that point, tucking this over and out. Now from here, rounding that out, tucking that over and in. Again, let's move up. So we're going to tuck that through to the top. And then now from here, we're just going to round that out, tucking this over and in. And then we'll replicate that on the right. Now in the center, we're just going to curve this line across to the right. Let's frame in the face. So stepping in for the cheek, we're going to arch this line around and down. We'll replicate that on the right. Trying our best to end that at roughly the same height. Now from here, as we come underneath, let's continue to round that chin out. So we're going to curve this over, flattening that out, pulling that into the middle. And then we'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well, tucking that over and in, blending that together. Let's step up for the hair now. So on the left-hand side from that point, we're going to curve this line up, down, and across to the left, replicating that on the opposite side. Now from this point, we're just going to curve this line back into the middle. Now from here, we're going to arch this out to the side, tucking that back in. And then let's come down underneath that, curving that over on a diagonal, tucking that back up. Now again, from here, we're going to continue to arch this down to the bottom. And then stepping in from the cheek, we're just going to curve a small line that comes up to close off the side of the hair, connecting that to the head. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back into that arch line there. Now dropping underneath, we're going to curve this line in for the ear. Let's draw on the hat now. So up above on the left-hand side, we're going to round that out, curving this up, bringing that back down and into the center. Do the exact same thing on the right. So we're going to curve this up. We're going to start to arch this down as we come into the middle, and then we'll just blend that together right in the center. We're going to add in another line on the front here. So we're just going to follow that shape. So curving this up, down, and into the middle. And then again on the right hand side, curving this up, down, blending that into the center. Now on each side, so on the left and right hand side, we're just going to curve this line out. And now on the top, we're going to arch this line around, tucking this down on the side. Let's step down again for the stripe in the hat, and we're just going to curve this line over again to finish that off. Just make sure this connects properly on the right here. And that is it. That's how you draw Phineas the Hitchhiking Ghost. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.